Hi! Hello, this is Neha and today I have been challenged by Malabais Alafi to create outfits from these clothes available on the racks. So firstly, just after I started this video, I cannot stop obsessing over this jacket. So firstly I'm going to choose this jacket and see which other maxi might look good with it. So we have two options, one is in grey and one is in blue. So I guess which one looks better is this blue, which is a long maxi, I think in sky blue, which will look really good with this upper because it will, cover my hands and also give a very chic look. So for that, I think I will go with this purse, which is also going well with this jacket in the case that it is grey in color and it complements well with both of the colors. And basically I have the options of all of these tones which I can pair with this outfit, and I think which one will look best is this tone in blue, which will highlight the two light colors in the sense that this dark color is actually going to set off both of these colors and give them a better and trendy look. So let's see how it looks like. So the next outfit I'll choose from this rack is this yellow jacket, which I think really is the perfect color for summers. So with this jacket I'm going to pair this maxi in white, which actually complements the stripes on this jacket, and then along with this I think I will go with this belt, which would be worn on this maxi in order to accentuate the whole look and give it a more trendy look. So let's see how this looks.